We interrupt your normally scheduled program for a vital health bulletin. Breaking news. If you or anyone you know of ate a Golden Corral in the last 48 hours, you may want to listen up. We are here now with Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and our field reporter, Jessica. For more information, Jessica, over to you. Okay.
Thank you, Em. We are currently standing in front of Super Hospital, which is located at the intersection of Super Lane and Temple Circle. I'm here with Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, a renowned infectious disease specialist who is leading the investigation into a very dangerous case of food poisoning. Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, can you tell us more about what has happened here?
Indeed, in the past 48 hours, we have almost 10 people report to the local hospital with similar symptoms. After the fourth patient arrived complaining of similar symptoms, the head of the ER called us to investigate a possible case of food poisoning at a local restaurant.
Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, what prompted you to investigate these illnesses?
Over the past 2 days, patients all with similar symptoms came into the hospital. Some of the symptoms were eating clam chowder at Golden Corral or lemonade at Fort Yargo.
It doesn't sound like your normal food poisoning.
It isn't. These symptoms were neurological and sensorily related.
Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, now that we know a little bit about how you were called in, what have you found?
My team and I interviewed all patients, and we discovered a pattern. They all ate clam chowder or lemonade, and all patients consumed the Golden Corral food, clam chowder, which contained nervosa toxin.
How were you able to narrow it down to clam chowder?
Using the graphics of the attack rates to talk about how the offending food was discovered, as well as other items that were highly considered to be a suspect.
I'm getting a report that we have a patient interview. Let's go to our patient now. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what happened?
Yes, I was staying at the Chateau Lawn for our annual high school robotics competition reunion. We all had dinner at Golden Corral. It looked like a great menu. I had the clam chowder, and within 5 hours I started feeling sick.
Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, Jamal. Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, what do you suggest our public do if they consumed the clam chowder at Golden Corral?
They should head directly to the nearest ER doctor for treatment.
Thank you, Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Due to this outbreak, the local health inspector has closed Golden Corral to ensure there are no other issues with their food. Preparation and storage from the cleared Golden Corral will be reopened, perhaps without clam chowder on the menu. We urge anyone who may have eaten clam chowder at the restaurant to seek any medical attention, and we now return to your normally scheduled programming. Thank you.
Thank you, Em. We are currently standing in front of your mom's hospital, which is located at the intersection of your mom and Jamal.
Stop.
Dr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, what do you suggest the public do? Yes, I was staying at Chateau Lawn for our annual high school robotics competition reunion. We all had dinner at Golden Corral. It looked like a great menu. I had the clam chowder.